Good morning. Today we will have a discussion about sine and cosine double and triple angles. Okay, from the current slide. Okay, sine and cosine double and triple angles. How to find? Okay, we know sine a plus b is sine a cos b plus cos a sine. I don't want to go further. What is the derivation for that? If you put in place of b 2a, oh sorry, a, if you put a, then what it will become? Sine a plus a, that is double angle sine 2a, and along with it, wherever b is there, I put a, sine a cos a plus cos a sine a. So this is having same but repeated twice. So finally you will get sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a cos a. So simple. In the formula of sine a plus b, I put b is equal to a. Okay. Now what about sine 3a? For that, in place of b, you should put 2a. Then what happens? Sine a cos 2a plus cos a sine 2a. That is like this we will have. So we know the sine 2a formula from here. You can substitute here. But cos 2a, we don't know. For that, we'll go for cos a plus b. Just like sin a plus b, I've gone for cos a plus b for finding cos 2a. Now here also the same, b is equal to a I put. So I get cos a plus a is equal to cos a square a minus sin square a. Or if you make this cos square a as 1 minus sin square using 10th standard formula, you'll be getting 1 minus 2 sin square a. This is what somewhere here. Or you can also write 2 cos square a minus 1. Cos 2a have three formulas. Based on the question, we will be using a formula. But basic one is cos square a minus sin square a, which you got from this derivation. Now, what about cos 3a here? Here same, p is equal to 2a you put. Then I will be getting cos a cos 2a minus sin a sin 2a. Now you know the formula of cos 2a, right? But I want cos 3a derivation, so what I do is, in place of cos 2a, I am going to put the third formula which is given here, that is 2 cos square a minus 1. And then sin 2a we already have from here, we'll substitute here, so you'll get 2 sin square a cos a. Now sin square a, we have to convert every term into cos, so that means sin square a will become 1 minus cos square a. So finally, you will be getting 2 cos cube here, minus of minus plus 2 cos cube in the last term. So altogether 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. So cos 3a formula, 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Sin 3a formula, you find out by substituting cos 2a and sin 2a. Remember, for cos 2a, you have to put the second formula, which is in terms of sine. Thank you very much. We will end up for today.